Hello everyone, very good morning. This is Neha Jukandi, Admin Manager of Elite Expertise. I have qualified CAPS in November 2023 under the guidance of Harika Ma'am and Harif Sir. Like, Elite Expertise is an online education platform who trains overseas pharmacists for license examination of CAPS, Australia and PBC Canada. We recently launched PT course as well. We are excited that we just received CAPS examination results and we have got immense results, like almost 95% of our students got passed and it's still counting. And one of our CHAM who has cleared her CAPS examination is here with us to share her success interview. Hello Divyanshi, good morning and congratulations.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much. I'm
How
really
are
so
you
delighted
feeling?
to know. I can't, I can't express. I'm like so excited and so happy. And like so grateful also. Like, ma'am and sir, everybody, Elite Expertise. I'm so grateful.
We are related to have your have you interviewed here and yes, tell us about yourself. Like, where did you study? Like, what is your background, etc. Everything. Please share us with us, dear.
Okay, so I recently graduated my pharmacy course, and after that, I didn't want to waste time. I wanted to find something, that would help me in the future. So I thought of giving CAPS. And when I was looking for coaching, and I have spoke to other institutes as well. So the last, which seemed very promising, was Elite Expertise, and the way they responded, and even a few like I had my senior that passed out. Even she recommended us Elite Expertise. So me and my friend both joined at the same time, and both of us passed.
Good, very good. And why did you choose CAPS
Yeah.
pathway?
CAPS pathway. Initially, I thought of staying here in India, but then looking at the opportunities in Australia, I thought it'd be a great option because the pathways are opening for pharmacists. They are like broadening the work aspect for pharmacists there. So that's why I felt like it's a good place to, grow.
What strategies did you apply during your CAPS preparation and during your exam as well?
I blindly followed ma'am and her
Insights.
yeah, like whatever she said, it was like at the end, like whenever I couldn't guess the answer in the exam, even at that time I was like, Harika ma'am ki jai ho, and just went for the answer.
That made you successful, I must say.
That's so true. I could literally hear ma'am and sir's voice during, like, while I was giving the exam, and then, like, blindly followed. I thought they have a good percentage. They are saying things out of experience and not just blabbering. So I just went with what they said, and I passed. I'm so
Like,
grateful.
how did you find the teaching of Harika Ma'am and Arif sir? And as you said earlier, you just have spoke with many institute as well. Can you just tell
Yeah.
us the differences with all the other institutes and what is the difference in allied
Uh,
expertise you found?
the one that gave me a lot of suspicion about the other institute was that it seemed like they were giving fake promises for like internship and all those things, and I knew that it wouldn't be true. Whereas Elite Expertise, it didn't give any fake promises. They just said they are going to give in coaching for CAPS, and they did that. And nothing apart from that, nothing like we'll do this for you, we'll do that for you. And the if we are not very interested in buying the course, they are not lowering the price. Like the
Yeah,
other
definitely.
institutes went like 30-40K. They just dropped the price for us, and they're saying this is for the limited time, and they just wanted us to buy the course. So
At the
that
end,
was
you
like
took a
very
one.
suspicious.
At the end, you
Yeah,
took a great
I'm
decision.
grateful. I took a very good decision. Even my friend, like I have a friend, he's my childhood friend. So we both of us have studied together. Both of us joined Elite Expertise together. So yeah, it was both of us decision.
Wonderful, dear. And during your examination, like, how did you tackle the concept-based questions, calculations, and chemistry, and all the toughest part? How did you tackle that?
I really wanted to, mention this. Actually, while giving the exam, I thought I faced like really tough questions. I was like, what is this? And I faced around a lot of calculations. But as ma'am said, she will train you so much that you'll be able to face anything that comes in the exam.
Yes.
Eventually, I did. They made my concepts so strong. Ma'am, she taught us calculations so well. The ones that she framed, everything, the calculations she came up with. Eventually, everything was mixed up in the exam, but we had bits and pieces to connect and get the answer. So this is how I managed calculations. And when it comes to like theory based, during the lecture, sir and ma'am did point out a lot of things, the tiniest details.
Yes.
That's why they tell us to watch the lectures many times. So it is important, actually, the lectures. I couldn't have passed if I didn't focus on the tiny details during the lecture.
Yes, since Elite Expertise provides comprehensive coaching starting from theory to application part, like whenever we face examination, we can just recall everything, like what has happened, like how it happened, like everything. You can just imagine, like, and hear the classes as well during your examination that help us.
True.
And how strongly do you recommend Elite Expertise for future CAPS aspirants?
I very strongly recommend Elite Expertise. I don't think there's any institute better than this. Honestly, I don't think anyone's doing such a good job at like the concept, the framing of the classes, the framing of mocks, and everything. The way they teach, RS sir's chemistry was commendable. Like, I couldn't have thought chemistry would be so easy. I was the most confident in chemistry. So they have brilliant ways of teaching. It's very, I hope I had teachers like them in college. I'm just so happy.
And like any special message for the future CAPS aspirants, like who wants to join Elite Expertise, not only Elite Expertise, who wants to take CAPS coaching, like what are all the insights you want to provide, like for them with your
with my experience?
Yes, with your experience.
So when it comes to Elite Expertise, I will highly recommend to do as ma'am and sir say. Whatever they say, just blindly follow. And for like in a broad sense, any CAPS aspirant, I just want them how ma'am teaches us. She tells us to actually think about the patient, and you'll never go wrong. Think about the patient as your family member, and you will not go wrong. You will not go wrong. You'll take the best decision for the patient. So that is how we can tackle it at that time.
Empathy comes into the picture.
Yes, so that we can make better decisions.
Definitely. And congratulations once again. Thank you so much for giving us the interview, Cham. Congratulations. Keep going.
Thank
okay.
You.
Good luck for your future endeavors. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much.